Good morning, hope you have an amazing day. It's Winner Singh and today I ordered the burger from Zomato and Zomato driver is on the way. Here is my burger. It's known as Maharaja burger. Well, thank you sir for delivering the order. Let's see how the Maharaja burger looks like. It's vegetarian cottage cheese burger. And the actual price of this burger is rupees 120 and I got the discount 60% discount and I paid rupees 58, which is less than a $1. The packing from this shop is awesome and look at this burger. It's look like McDonald's burger. A very fresh lettuce makes the burger more attractive. It's a triple bun burger, top, middle and the bottom. Oh, it's very heavy burger. Look at this cottage cheese patty, cheese slice, 3 buns. Let's look at the inside of the burger carefully. It's a cheese slice, cottage cheese patty, fresh lettuce, orange mayonnaise and bun again, and again there is a cheese slice, cottage cheese patty. That is a fully loaded burger with cottage cheese. Let's have it. I am very excited with this McDonald's kind of burger. It's thick, rich and very delicious burger. And when you bite the burger, cottage cheese comes so nicely. It's very juicy because everything is double in this burger. In my city Ludhiana, there are 2 companies for the food delivery, Zomato and the Uber Eats. Zomato is giving the 60% discount on your first order, 50% on your second, 40% on your third order and goes on. Whereas Uber Eats just giving the 30% discount on your first and second order. Even if I compare both the applications, Zomato is another level of Instagram. Whereas Uber Eats, it's a worst application ever. This burger is too heavy and that is why I cut it into the 2 slices. It is so everything you want in this burger. Let's finish the last big bite of this burger. Even you don't need to chew the cottage cheese, it's completely soft. Awesomely grateful burger. And wait, I need to finish this. Each and every flavor is embedded in this burger. I never even imagined that this burger is available in my city. Last bite. Well, thank you Zomato and thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.